facility opens its doors for the first time today to its first patients.
Yeah, the Guy Herman Center for Mental Health Crisis is providing emergency care to people suffering from a mental health crisis. It's in Southeast Austin, and that's where we find Kate, who takes us inside for the first time. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, guys. You know, the center really the first of its kind here in Travis County. The goal is to get people who are suffering a mental health crisis out of local hospitals and emergency rooms and get them into a facility like this to provide some short-term care, but also some resources that can really help them out. And this is not a walk-in type facility. You have to be referred by the police department, mobile crisis outreach teams, or a local emergency room. The goal is for someone to stay here only a few days and receive psychiatric care, counseling, and help from a caseworker who can find services that will support this person once they get back into the community. The facility is for adults only, and they say the need is so great, they expect to see 1,200 patients within the first year. And they will treat you regardless of your ability to pay or if you have insurance.
The idea that most mental health crises can resolve within the first 48 hours of them beginning. So we want to quickly stabilize people so that we can get them on that path to recovery and back out to the community as quickly as possible, avoiding a hospital stay, which tends to be lengthier and more expensive.
And just to get back to the need for this type of facility, we understand from Austin Police they received about 12,000 mental health calls just last year. Many times these are repeat offenders, they're not offenders, but repeat calls simply because people are taken to local emergency rooms or even jail where they're not equipped to deal with these mental health crises. They're hoping that this facility is going to change that. Sally, back to you.